Abayili bempahla yefashoni baze bexhobile kukhuphiswano lwe-Eastern Cape Fashion Week, ilowo ejonge ukuba umsebenzi wakhe wokuyila ube ngowona uchongwayo njengogqwesileyo. Abayili uTesley Swarts kunye noJan Hendrik van Zyl bacacise ukuyila kwabo njengokubonisa inkululeko kwakunye nemvelaphi yabo.
Okay, so I'm really excited and I'm inspired by sustainability and need to look after our planet and to care about what we create. You can't just create, your creations have to be mindful in that. So you'll see in my prints I used fabric offcut waste to articulate the 30 years of democracy and all the effects it's had. So you'll see 1994 on the pants, you'll see freedom on the back of the tops.
Looking forward to showcasing my collection. I've been having sleepless nights for 5 weeks to create this collection, and it's a perfect platform to showcase my work. The collection is going to show you that clothing can be genderless. I'm making clothes for men, but it is at the end of the day genderless. I want anyone to be able to wear anything.
Umyili ophumeleleyo uMartin Steenkamp uxhulumancile umsebenzi wakhe ugqwesile.
I am overwhelmed and I feel very excited for the win, but also in the same breath, I'm humbled. I'm truly humbled. I think it's such an honor to be recognized in a space where you were given birth to, the soil that really integrated strength and humility within you, and to be recognized in that space as a creative and as an artist, it really is such a humbling feeling. I'm honored and I'm in awe. And truly, I think with all the creatives that have been here with me on this journey, I think we've all experienced something that is just, it's been transformational. And like the theme, it says freedom. I think there's a level of freedom throughout the experience.
Kwakulo msitho kukwanikwe imbeko kumyili odumileyo weVukani Fashion uMonwabisi Ndamase nowayesakuyila izinxibo zowayesakuba ngumongameli weli uNelson Mandela. Lo kaNdamase ubathulele umnqwazi abayili bempahla eMpuma Kapa.
Masiqondeni into enye into ukuthi i-Eastern Cape ine-hidden talent. Ifihlakele italent lapha isemgqubeni. Uba inokusetyenziswa kakhulu and i-expose and nabantu abafana nani abanale opportunity of exposing these young people, ndibone izinto ezinhle kakhulu. I've been to Paris Fashion Week, I've been to Milan Fashion Week, I've been to New York Fashion Week, London Fashion Week. Ndizibonile izinto, ndibabonile labantwana inhle into abayenzayo, ikhono labo, equality of the work that they do. It's so unpredictable.
Ukanti nabo abantu bebekuzokonwabela bavakalise ukuchulumanca ngesakhono sokuyila kweli phondo.
I'm actually quite excited about today. I look forward to seeing the actual whole event, but in particular to see my friend showcase. His designs are Kush designs. I'm actually wearing one of his stuff, so I'm definitely looking forward to that part of the show.
It's my first time in a fashion show in Yasebubeleni in the Eastern Cape Fashion Show. I'm looking forward to great work. I'm looking forward to creatives showcasing their beautiful work and engaging with beautiful people, because I know there's a lot of people who are talented.
Super exciting to see the Eastern Cape hosting events like this as well. It's beautiful to see people express themselves through fashion the way they are doing today.
Omnye wabaququzeli balomsitho uthe ibingumsebenzi khange kube lula ukulungiselela lo msitho nanjengoko benze inguqu. Ukwaveze nokuba lo msitho udale amathuba omsebenzi.
The process of organizing the 3rd annual Eastern Cape Fashion Week was quite challenging, but it was also quite exciting. Number one, we rebranded. We changed from Ebubeleni Festival Fashion Show, or rather Fashion Week, to Eastern Cape Fashion Week. So we needed to remind our supporters, our investors, our followers, and the designers that have trusted the platform that we will remain the committed, professional, and unique and exciting platform that we always have been. Ebubeleni Festival Projects and Eastern Cape Fashion Week hires a lot of service providers, This year we hired over 80 staff members, and that's just the staff members that were working on the actual show. We also hired, technical producers. We hired students from the university who worked as designer assistants. There's catering staff that was hired, drivers, and also PR officers that were hired. We hire quite a lot of people. As you can imagine, a production of this magnitude requires a lot of hands.
Abaqoqozeli balomsitho bathi uza kukhula nyaka nonyaka. Kwindaba ze-MPK TV, ndinguJessica Bobo eGqeberha.